guys, it's Glenn from glenscarcollection.com, and I am on training this week. So you're still going to get videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Just want to let you know, just in case there were any glitches, typically if something happened, I could fix it right away. But since I'm going to be in training 8 hours a day this week, I won't be able to do that. And I usually respond to your comments as soon as possible. And I won't be able to do that either just because I'm in training. So you're still going to see videos Monday, Wednesday, Friday this week, but just wanted you guys to be aware of that. We got a couple cool things coming up on the channel. We have an Audi RS4 and a 2-year review of this car, my BMW M2. Can't believe I've had it 2 years now. So if you like what you see, hit the subscribe button. If you're already a subscriber, hit the notification bell so you don't miss those 2 videos. And we post videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. So thanks a lot, guys. Thanks for watching. Thank you for the continuing support. And also wanted to ask you a question is what you'd want to see on the channel. So let's call this a channel update. Do you want to see more vlogs? Do you want to see more car reviews? Typically you watch more of the vlogs, whether they're about real estate or cars, than you do the car reviews. So what cars would you like to see on the channel? Why don't we go with that? Maybe there's some interesting cars that you like to see. And again, the only cars I can review are cars that I get press cars at these press events. So they'll have new cars, or subscribers that reach out to me and say, hey, can you do a review of my car? So if you say a Ferrari Enzo, unless I have a subscriber who says they want me to do a Ferrari Enzo, I won't be able to do it. But I'm curious what you like to see more of. Do you want to see, I know we have a lot of BMW followers. Could I have a lot of BMWs? Do you want to see so many BMWs? Do you want to see different cars? Do you want to see more American cars? Also, if you're a dealer, you want me to make videos of your cars, contact me. You can contact me, email glenscarcollection@gmail.com. I've done that, for Lamborghini dealers, for McLaren dealers and stuff like that. That's how I get a lot of those cars. But, yeah, let me know what you want to see, and I'll try to make those videos for you. Be sure to hit the subscribe button if you like what you see. And if you're already a subscriber, hit the notification bell because we post new videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. And when I started this channel 1.5 years ago, I always said, I want this to be your channel too. So always email me with your suggestions, and then, I'll try to see if I can do a video about it. Thanks again for watching, guys, and we'll see you next time. Take care.